If you got faith, you can make anything happen. If you have a vision, God will bring the provisions. Listen, this video, like I always say, is strictly for chosen ones and not the LTSOs, the damn less than smart ones, because why? You know why. They will never, and see nasty means never understand what the hell I'm talking about. Listen, chosen ones, all you need is faith the size of a mustard seed in order to bring your dreams to reality. And I mean it. For real, chosen ones. Like, I'm so dead serious about I wouldn't even be on here talking about it if I wasn't. What sense would that make? Player? Feel me? It wouldn't make no sense. Feel me? Your faith is not fantasy. Your faith is actually powerful. Feel me? And that's why they try to make you doubt it. They try to make you really feel like, oh, it's childish. It's Disney fairy tale. Okay. Listen, the power of your imagination could unlock the wildest things in your imagination. Yes. It could unlock the most wildest things. Feel me? All you need is that faith and hope. Huh? And it will come. It has to come. Feel me? Yo, listen. Chosen ones, we are manifesting every single day in our lives, bro. Every day. Feel me? And a lot of manifestations, they don't come just 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. It takes time. Feel me? It takes time for things to happen. Yo, I remember a time when I was a kid in my 20s. And I remember when marijuana was super duper illegal. Yo, we used to be like in the car, have a schnickel bag, and feel like we're about to go to jail for life if the cops got behind us, bro. Like, oh my God. Yo, y'all new generation, y'all have no idea what it was like for us out here. Huh? Bro, we were terrified. Yeah, but now the point I'm making is, yo, I remember back then we used to say, damn, yo, oh, we can't wait till like marijuana's just up in the stores where you could just go buy it like a pack of cigarettes. Feel me? Now look it. Now look it, bro. For real. Like, yo, we manifested that, bro. Us, the potheads that we were potheads back then, like, we really manifested that ish, bro. Just like anything else in your life. I manifested the car I have right now a few years ago. And I remember the car got into like somebody hit my car. And it was just a little bit of damage, right? And I wasn't gonna actually like call insurance or just pay for it. I was gonna rock out with it. Bruh, do you know that I got hit in the exact same spot like a few months later and actually got my car fixed and got money on top of that? Feel me? Like, I manifested that part getting fixed. Like, I wanted to fix it. I knew I was gonna fix it eventually. But that shit, it just manifested, bro. We are manifesting 24 hours a day. That's why you need to keep your faith in good standing. Keep it. It's always in your back pocket, just waiting for you to pull it out. Feel me? When somebody comes with that doubt, oh, it's not possible. Oh, you can't do it. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, that's when your faith should stand 10 times stronger behind you. Oh, like, oh, you wait and motherfucking see. I love when people doubt me, bro. I love it. I even love when I doubt myself. Sometimes I be coming up with ideas, and then that little bitch ass voice, I call him weak and everything. That little voice will come on, Chris, it's not possible. You can't do it. I call him weak. I say, shut up, man. I call security on. Is that security? You know what I mean? You have to have agency over those negative, toxic influences inside your mind and the ones outside of your mind around you. Because I'm telling you, people, this world, especially for chosen ones, will try to make you feel like you're not powerful. That's why your boy C Nasty is on here making you look, I'm a regular dude, look at me. Feel me? I feel powerful. Feel me? I feel powerful. Like, because I feel free. I feel that my mind is free, which is the most important thing. I feel that my emotions are not blocked. They're not being able, my emotions aren't being able to be manipulated. Feel me? I got I'm gaining my health back. You know what I'm saying? I'm being resilient in the gym. Oh, you see your boy body. Look at that, baby. Oh. They saying your boy handsome now. Anyway, listen. One love.